Some houses come with crawl spaces instead of basements. But just like the basement, a crawl space is prone to moisture and mold problems when it doesn't have proper insulation and adequate ventilation. Although mold in crawl space is common, it's never a good thing and can indicate serious issues like foundation cracks, leakages, and other water intrusion problems. To remove mold in crawl space under the house, it's best to avoid using bleach since it has not been proven to effectively remove mold from porous materials like wood. You can clean the mold yourself by first using a foaming spray to loosen the mold. Once loosened, carefully remove the mold from the surfaces and soak any remaining mold with a commercial mold killer. After the affected areas dry, use a stiff bristle brush to scrub away any leftover mold and carefully dispose of everything including the brushes and protective coveralls in a sealed heavy trash bag. Keep in mind that this DIY method is time-consuming and may be challenging depending on the clearance in your crawl space. If the mold covers multiple areas larger than 3 square feet or the affected areas have damage or rotten wood, you should consider calling in a company that specializes in crawl space mold remediation. The professionals typically use a fogging machine that sprays a mold-killing solution which is non-toxic, safe, and highly effective at crawl space mold removal. Another advantage of hiring mold specialists is that they can identify and eliminate the sources of mold, as well as repair and replace any affected materials. When you need help with mold, call FDP Mold Remediation for a free consultation, or to find out more about our crawl space mold removal services.